Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try an interesting recipe with cauliflower. This crispy and crunchy green gobi fry is super easy to make. First you need to blanch some cauliflower, so in some hot water add some salt and some cut cauliflower pieces. After a few minutes drain and take it out. Now let's prepare the marination with some coriander leaves, 1 green chili, ginger and some garlic. Add some water and make it into a fine paste. Add this paste into the cauliflower with some cornstarch, rice flour and some all-purpose flour with some salt. Now mix everything really well until all the marination is well coated on the cauliflower. That's it. Now it's ready for frying. Heat some oil in a pan. When the oil gets heated up, fry these cauliflower till it turns crispy. Flip them in between and fry all the sides. Now once it turns crispy and golden shade, take it out. Fry some curry leaves in the same oil. And there you go, our green crispy cauliflower is ready. Enjoy it with some ketchup and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comments section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.